This is just a quick tutorial on how to make paper hinges out of cardstock and toothpicks. As you can see, you just grab a toothpick, make your little paper piece, and simply fold it over, pre-fold it and get it wound around the toothpick, and then you glue it. And just let all the glue squeeze out. Pick it off before it dries. So now you have two ends. Make sure that your first two ends, if you're going to glue them to the toothpick, are facing the same direction. And you cut your centerpiece to the same width that you have left out. Fold that over, same way you did the other ones, and I pre-fold it. Make sure it's nice and tight. And the only trick here is to not get any glue where the toothpick goes so that I can spin freely. And there you go, a paper hinge.